Good day everyone, I am Pepito, a Bsed Math 2A student. In this video, I'll be sharing my understandings of chapters 1 to 6 from our subject, Science, Technology, and Society. These chapters help me realize how science and technology shape not only the world, but also our human values and progress. For the chapter 1, historical antecedents in the course of science and technology in ancient times. In ancient times, science and technology were simple but very essential. Early humans invented tools, discovered fire, and developed agriculture. All these helped them survive and build civilizations. And also, it showed that human curiosity and necessity are the roots of scientific progress. Let's say, for example, um, the inventions of the wheel and the use of irrigation in ancient civilizations is made transportations and farming more efficient and effective, and it's a foundation for modern technology today. Next is the chapter 2, which is the intellectual revolutions. This chapter talks about great thinkers who changed how people view the world. For the Copernican revolution, Copernicus proposed that the sun, not the earth, it is the center of the universe. This changed people's beliefs and started modern astronomy. And also for the Darwinian revolutions, Charles Darwin introduced the theory of evolutions by the natural selection, explaining how living things adapt and change over time. And of course, for the Freudian revolutions, Sigmund Freud focused on the human mind and the behavior also. It shows that our unconscious thoughts influence our actions. Other revolutions also happened around the world, and Mesoamerica, Asia, and Middle East, Africa, and also India, where ancient peoples built civilizations, invented writing, and created mathematical and scientific systems that shape global knowledge. For the chapter 3 entitled Science, Technology, and Nation Building. This chapter made me understand how science and technology contributed to the development of our nation. Pre-colonial periods, early Filipinos already had their own knowledge in farming, fishing, and building. It shows that native intelligence even without modern tools. For the colonial period, during the Spanish and the American colonizations, Western science and educations were introduced. And it brings also formal schools and hospitals. Next is the post-colonial periods. In the modern times, science and technology continue to support nation building through innovations, infrastructures, and educations that will improve the quality of their life. Next is the chapter 4 entitled Human Flourishings in Science and Technology. This chapter focuses on how science and technology should help humans live better, not just advanced tools. True human flourishing means using knowledge for the common good and for promoting health, sustainability, and happiness. Shall we say, for instance, when we use technology to solve problems like climate change or disease, it shows that progress should always have compassion and ethics. For the chapter 5, entitled Human Flourishing as Reflected on Progress and Development, this chapter reminds us that development is not only about modern gadgets or tall buildings. And the real progress means improving people's lives, physically, mentally, and socially. A truly developed society balances innovations with care for nature and humanity. And for the last chapter, entitled The Good Life, for the Nicomachean Ethics and the Modern Concepts. For Aristotle, he believed that the good life or eudaimonia is achieved by living virtuously, by doing good, acts, and developing our character. In today's world, the good life means more than material success. It's about living meaningfully, and it helps other and using science and technology responsibly. To sum up, these chapters help me realize that science and technology are not just about inventions. They're about people. They shape our lives, values, and our future. As students, we have a role to use our knowledge wisely and contribute to human flourishing. So that would be all. And thank you and God bless.